What's up, everybody? It's Eli again. I got a video for you guys today. It's gonna end up turning into an install video. This will probably be a two-part video. But in the mail yesterday, I don't know how well you can hear me either because I am outside and I'm recording off my phone. But yesterday, I got something that came in the mail that I ordered earlier in the week. It was an upgraded part that I've been wanting for a while. It was actually one of the more expensive parts to get for upgrades or mods. And I'm just going to get right into it here and show you what we got going on. So I got 3 boxes here. This being one of them, and if you can guess already, you can see what it might be. Okay. 1 second. This being the second one. Don't know which side of the wafer this on, but got that. And we got this one. I'm going to be opening them up here and showing you what we got. So, here you go. Whoops, got it upside down. Grab my handy dandy letter opener. Box cutter. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the small guy here. Sorry, I'm trying to do all this with one hand because, like I said, I'm recording off my phone. It's a little bit tricky. What I'm actually gonna do, flip the camera back this way again, set you on top of these boxes. So we're cracking into the small box right now, out of the 3. Let's see what we got. Okay. All this paper, packaging paper. And first thing out of the box, we got a big bag of hoses and couplers. Right there. You can already tell what it is. Front mount intercooler from TurboXS. Reason why I went with this, 2 reasons. One, being a bigger core. And secondly, I like the design, 3 reasons. And thirdly, I got it on sale. They had a clearance sale for their scratch and dent clearance, just to kind of make their kits cheaper, because they're like $1,900 for the kit, and I got it for like 650 bucks. So that's a steal if you ask me. So you got a packing list that inside of here that has all the hoses and sizes and stuff, what it comes with. So we got that. We have some of our intercooler piping. Got it in the wrinkle red to match the fender shrouds and the intake manifold and such. So just basically, we show you here. Just have all of our intercooler piping here. I'm guessing hot and cold side. And then our couplers. I'll get that back in there. And then we'll move on to those 2. Okay, so I'm kind of like doing this funky, like I said, I'm doing it off my phone. I don't have like an actual camera or, you know, tripod or anything. Actually, I do have a tripod for the phone, but it's inside and I'm not really wanting to get back in and get it. But this was the biggest box, and this is the box that was inside the biggest box that we had over there. We're going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to do an install video. There isn't really many install videos for this kit for some reason. I don't know if it's because it's not as popular or what, but still a good brand. Still a good name brand, I should say. And I'll set this down on the ground here, just open her up and then pull out what's inside. Oh, okay. Let's see, yeah. And it is in fact the intercooler. This is bigger than I thought. And take that off. Yeah, the only thing I really see with this is a couple of fins are messed up, but I'm really not worried about that. That's more of a cosmetic than functionality thing, because most of them are in great shape. I don't notice any like cracks in welding or metal around the ends here. What I am going to do though, when this is mounted up onto the vehicle, is once I figure out the orientation, whether it's this way or flipped, I'm going to stencil the STI logo onto this. I'm guessing this is the way it's supposed to go, because the logo's on the front side, so it's going to get mounted up onto the. I'm facing the front of the car now, so this is going to be the back side, and this is the front. So you got your hot side over here and your cold side over here. But yeah, I mean, that's a steal, honestly. So that's that. And then give me a moment, I'm going to get to the last box, which, if anybody knows this kit, you should probably already know what it is, but give me a moment. Alright guys, I'm back. I just unboxed the last piece of the puzzle for the front mount intercooler kit that I have here for my 2017 STI Limited from TurboXS. And the last piece of the resistance is the mounting brace that goes underneath the bumper. It actually goes something along the lines of this. I do notice I have to tighten down these nuts on the ends here. But like I said, everything seems to be in pristine shape, honestly. Little like things here and there, but nothing to really like say, oh, it's not worth the steel, you know. It actually is. Everything's in pretty good shape, so. Just to cover it all again, once I can get this back in the box, I'm just going to stick it with the intercooler. So give me a moment here. So like I said, here we have the intercooler itself. It's a 3 3/4 inch thick core that's 8 inches tall, and like, I don't know how wide it is, but with the brace, mounting brace, and then you have all your piping, couplers, hoses, and hardware inside of that box. So I got it condensed down, and then that's just like a front tow hook mount for your license plate to relocate your license plate. So yeah. But anyhow, that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, next video will be an install video. Don't know how long that'll be. I'll probably break that down into parts, or segments, and then just, tie it all together. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Like the videos. Like the video, subscribe, share, favorite, and we will see you on the next one. So, later guys.